So I guess if you don't live in Georgia, you don't know anything about Jim Hill. But it's an old Civil War battlefield. Yeah, from a long time ago. But I love history, and not the biggest outdoors guy, but never too good for a nice walk. The road less traveled.
They're all traveled. They all have a path.
I said less traveled.
If anything, this is more traveled.
I thought we'd take a little break and hit the pivot. Nobody's around. God, fucking bugs. I dropped my cap for my hot knife. There's a fucking gnat in my ear. Yeah.